Asia.
Hey, hold on back
TBS
up.
brand of
For a
comedy
while.
series, Sullivan and Son. It's a very multicultural show. I'm Caucasian and Asian, which I discovered makes me Caucasian. It's a little racy at times.
You need a key to the bathroom and the stalls don't have doors. I don't mind, but the guys get nervous. You're not supposed to say stuff like that.
I wouldn't say it's politically incorrect. I think it's accurate.
That's why we love it.
From executive producer Vince Vaughn, Sullivan and Son, a brand new comedy series, premieres Thursday, July 19th, only on TBS. Very funny.
So, man, how's that Bud Light Port Paradise cruise?
Oh man, first day. But later on, it's all
Left, right.
The ship's deck. Next day, there's this private island concert. So what'd you guys do?
4 days, 3 nights, a 2-day music festival, and one legendary park, Bud Light Port Paradise. Here we go.
I may have retired from the game, but not from being big. Good thing one car gives me full-size luxury and 36 miles per gallon, which is nice because I've got shoes that are bigger than most hybrids and more stylish too. If you don't know the luxurious yet fuel-efficient LaCrosse, you don't know Buick.
Celebrate Independence Day with the EPA estimated 36 highway MPG LaCrosse for around $279 per month. Consider it a new lease on luxury.
Hi, I'm Tina Fey. This is new Garnier Nutrice Nourishing Color Foam. And this is Meg. Questions? Well,
Yeah, for what?
Oh, my phone's dead. No, Mimi's phone is dead.
I need this.
I need Aiden because I'm in his party.
You have the mic.
No, I said I'm gonna turn off the Xbox so Rec Room downloads.
You can have it in a second.
Screw you, you're a waste of time. What's this for?
I'm using this for mommy's phone. I'm making a creation. But that's not why I need it. I need it for that, but I don't want mommy to get mad.
No. No! Freaking pin me!
I'll spin you here. Give me a second. Okay, I'll spin you.
Pin me with both. Yeah, pin me with both hands.
Want me to spin you? Love you.
He's trying to do me. He said, I'm not a Jew. I'm not a Jew. Let me fast. 1, 2. We're about to crash it.
Think I'm gonna be able to spin you and let go?
No.
Yeah, I think I can spin you fast enough. Hey, you think I'm gonna be able to spin you fast?
Pin me!
That's tough. Cancel button. It's the number.
Let me use the phone. Let me use it, okay?
Okay, you can use it. I have Xbox Play app. Leave it in here. Leave it in here.
Why can't I bring it in there?
No, because I need it.
this is Garnier's first foam that nourishes while it colors. It's got avocado, olive, and shea oils. Nourished hair, better color, Meg. A fresher, brighter color. Gorgeous. Tweet goodbye to grays. Well, she loves it. Do you ever stop talking? New Nutrice Nourishing Color Foam. Nourished hair, better color. Garnier. Take care.
Hey, Grandpa, we got this large pizza for $5. Well, paint me blue and call me babe. I'm serious.
Get a hot and ready pepperoni pizza for $5 or a 3-meat treat for $8 at Little Caesars.
Pizza.
You can't kill someone and take their skin. That's not cool. So I am forming a neighborhood watch.
This neighborhood's gonna need our best tonight.
We can't trust anyone.
Look at me, look at me, look at him and understand me. Look at both of us but understand no one. Listen to my words and hear his face. Watch.
What are these people? I'll stay out of my room.
Sorry, Milo. I was trying to impress my friends. I was trying to be a big man. I love you.
light margarita. Made with Jose Cuervo tequila and under 95 calories. Just pour and enjoy. Also in wild berry flavor.
If you're happier watching Conan on TBS, raise your hand. Brought to you by the new Kia Optima Limited Midsize Sedan. Elegance performance technology. We admit it, we can't help ourselves. Just when we built the Optima, a great midsize sedan, we felt the need to add things like 18-inch chrome wheels, LED lights, a sport tune suspension, premium Napa leather trim seats, and an electronic parking brake. The Optima was already the best. Now it's even better. Introducing the Kia Optima Limited. What do you know about this place? Stay away from the house too much.
You're gonna wish
Place where your greatest fantasy is. You want to be rich and famous? We'll give you the memory. It can be yours.
never gonna wanna come back.
I really am still back at recall. I want him alive. Total Recall. Rated PG-13.
To make the bruschetta and Applebee's new Florentine House sirloin.
And we're good.
So I was gonna.
All you need to know is the Florentine House sirloin is awesome. It's one of the new fresh flavors of summer, starting just 99 at Applebee's.
Yeah. For what?
Oh, my phone's almost dead. No, Mimi's phone is dead.
I need this.
I need Aiden because I'm in his party.
You had the mic.
No, I said I'm gonna turn off the Xbox so Rec Room downloads.
You can have it in a second.
Screw you, you're a waste of time. What's this for?
I'm using this for 35 minutes. Mommy's phone. I'm making a creation. But that's not why I need it. I need it for that, but I don't want Mommy to get mad. I need it.
No! Freaking pin me!
I'll spin you here. Give me a second. Okay, I'll spin you.
Spin me with both. Yeah, spin me with both hands.
Want me to spin you? Love you.
He's trying to do me. It said I'm not a Jew. Not a Jew. I'm fast.
Think I'm gonna be able to spin you and let go?
No.
Yeah, I think I can spin you fast enough. Hey, you think I'm gonna be able to spin you fast?
Pin me!
That's tough.